Welcome again to another week of Gear Shifters tutorials. My name's Stuart Lander and we're going to be going over how to shift. So with shifting, there's a few parts that you need to know about. We have the shifter piece, which is either can be a grip shift, which is where you spin it, or it can be a finger shifter. And that is connected to a cable that goes along the bike, past the frame. Sometimes it goes underneath, but this one goes along the top tube, down here to the lower triangle, and to this funny looking thing. This is called the derailleur. The derailleur helps move the chain up and down the different sprockets. As you can see, these are the sprockets to the funny little gear looking things with sharp teeth. These allow you to go faster or slower. Primarily, when you're in a low gear, this is considered your low gear. This has 7 speeds, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Some other bikes have more gears, some have less. If you look over to my bike, mine has 12 gears. It's much different than some of the other ones that are out there. But they all do the same thing. So, to shift, you want to make sure when you're doing it, you're going forward, it means you're going harder. So when you're in a hard gear, high, hard, you can remember that. So I'm in gear number 7, and it's a hard gear. You use this gear, we're going downhill. And when you're going uphill, you want to be in a low gear. So you're going to spin your grip shift, if you have one, towards you. So towards you. When you're going uphill, you want to be in a very easy gear, so it makes it easier for you to spin. When you are shifting, you want to make sure that you're not pushing hard on the pedals. You want to kind of ease into it. Like you don't want to shift when you're standing up on your pedals. That will make it very, very hard for the derailleur to move the chain into the right spot. When you are out in the woods on flat areas or mild stuff, it's okay to be in the middle. That's where we'll spend most of our time, or that's where your chain will spend most of the time. It's a good in-between gear that can get you in most areas. When we break off into our groups, we'll have each of the mentors kind of go through and say, alright, I want you guys to put your bike in the easiest gear. See how that feels. You're going to feel yourself able to pedal really, really easy, and you feel like your feet are going to go like the Roadrunner, super, super fast. When you're in a harder gear, it'll be a lot more difficult to spin, and you'll go slow in the beginning, and then it'll get faster. When you come up to an obstacle, make sure you shift ahead of time. This will help get yourself into the right gear and be able to go over the obstacle more easily. This also can be used when you're approaching a hill. Put yourself in the right gear, or a low gear, ahead of time before you get to the hill, so that way you're not grinding the gears together and having a hard time shifting. I'm going to show you some examples of the different gears. Right now I'm in my easiest gear, which makes it easy to go uphill and go over obstacles. Then I'm going to go into my middle gear and then my super hard gear and show you how it looks and how it feels. Like I mentioned before, we'll most likely be using our middle gears while we're in the woods for most things. My cat Reese, he likes to join us. Alright. Alright, pedaling. Super easy. See how easy it is when you go? Alrighty. Going super fast. Alright, now I'm going to put myself into my middle gear. Alright, so a little bit easier to go, more momentum. Alright, now I'm going to put myself in my hardest gear. Like I said before, you may want to make sure that you're pedaling when you're changing gears, but you don't want to really push on it hard because it has a hard time shifting. Give me a second to get going. When you're in a harder gear, it takes a little bit more effort to go. This is used mostly for going downhill because you have a lot of speed and you don't want to have a easy gear where you're spinning all the time. Hey, thank you again. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you guys next week. Go gear shifters.